Hello everyone, in today's video I'll show you guys how you can fix Twitter or X video quality problems. Well, the first thing that you need to check is whether your internet is good or not. So you need to check your internet speed, and if the internet speed is okay and if you're still facing the problem, then you can get to the settings of your X, for which simply open the X application, and after doing that, here you need to tap on the profile icon on the top left or right here. So after doing that, here you'll need to tap on settings and privacy, from which you'll get the option of accessibility, display and language. Tap on it, and then in here you can tap on the data users that you can see right here. So after doing that, here you can see currently my data saver is turned off. If it is turned on in yours, you'll need to tap on this toggle button and turn it off just like this. And from here you can see the option of high quality video. Simply tap on it. And currently here you can see I have the on cellular or Wi-Fi option. You'll need to get on the on cellular or Wi-Fi option just like this. So if it's on only Wi-Fi, you need to tap on it and get it on cellular or Wi-Fi so that your video quality will remain same on cellular and also in the Wi-Fi. So after doing that, the problem is almost like fixed, but if you're still seeing the problem, then you can now try to individually set the video quality, for which go back to the home page just like this. And in here you can see we're on the home page, and from here if you want to individually turn on the video quality of the video, here you'll need to tap on the video just like this. Here you can see the three-dot bar on the top right corner right here. Simply tap on it, and then from here you can see quality option right here. So if you simply tap on it, here you can see currently it is on the auto. If you see the higher video quality, currently here you can see the auto is on the 270p, which is the highest video quality of this particular video. If you see more high quality video which is not on the auto, you can simply tap on it and set your video on high quality just like this, and like that you'll be able to fix your X video quality problem. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.